guys, this is Vignesh, and I am going to do a quick unboxing of Gladiator 2, the two-wheeler security system. And this is the user manual. I think the warranty is given in, and this is the control unit, which has sensors, and it's too waterproof. It's been checked by QC. Quality check is being done. Oh, it's pass. Okay, next it's the alarm. I think the speaker. Okay, and this is the wires given with it. The quality of the wires are good, so it is water repellent also, and it can resist water washes of your bike. The keys are made of good quality. It's too shining. It's sturdy also. These are the products given in the box. Two keys. Now I will open the keys. There are totally 4 buttons in this. One is the lock button. Just press once and it's an unlock button. It's a power button to start your bike, and it's the check alarm system. And the buttons are also of good quality, and they are also sturdy too. They are quite responsive. And this system will be soon fit in my bike, the Avenger,